So you might be wondering if ChatGPT paid is worth it for you. Well, in my opinion, it is worth paying for ChatGPT, and I'll show you the reasons for that in this video. So I do think you should consider paying for ChatGPT if you find yourself using it like 5-10 times per day. If you're using it so much, then I do think it's worth checking out. So me, for example, is my most general purpose AI tool. As one of the first ones I go to, no matter what. If I need to search for some information, or if I need to generate a small text or analyze some data, then I use ChatGPT. So nowadays you can press this / and you can get a picture. You can use DALL-E 3. I don't really use this one, to be honest. It's just not the best image generation tool out there. I use a tool called Flux. You can search. I'm using this more and more, and we'll see that now with Search GPT coming soon. I'm definitely going to use that more than Google, I think. And you can also Reason, right? So Reason is more technically advanced, right? And probably you won't really use that too much, to be honest, unless you're a software developer or like a theoretical physicist or something, very complicated like that. I don't see many people using that for right now. But what I do use a lot is this one, ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. So let's just see how that looks. So this basically, when you have an output, it will show you the output. So I'll just show you how this works now. So imagine you want to write a sales email or something like that. It will write a sales email, and this is the Canvas part coming up here now. So you can see it's basically a content editor, right? So here it is, an innovation collaboration with Coca-Cola. So what I like most about this is I can just keep asking it and refining it. So that's the most important thing when you have something with AI, is you want to keep refining it and changing it. And so I can also highlight the text here. This is a really cool feature. I can just ask ChatGPT to change it. I can literally ask it to do whatever and manipulate this in any way that I want. So I can just click that and say edit or explain, just say please change this to whatever, and it will change. So I'll just say make it more friendly. So I can just do that, and it will just change this text so that it's, rewrites it so that it's friendlier. So whatever it is you want to change, you can change, and that's really, really cool. So you also have these little features here, add emojis or add a final polish. So it will just recheck this to make sure that what its output was pretty good. So, it's actually AI checking AI. It's really, really cool. So there's loads and loads of ways you can use this, of course. Like imagine you are doing coding, then, you can change the code, say, why did you do this, or change that, or whatever the case may be. So for me, I use a lot for writing. So I just use, whatever the case may be. I'll be like, oh no, change that. I don't like that. And instead of me having to go in and change and write and think, is like I'm just really thinking about the editing and how I can actually get the best output. So if you are doing SEO, then I recommend this tool here, Journalist AI. It does the whole blog post for you. So basically it'll do everything from the extensive formatting, creating the images, the videos, and all the links and table of contents. So basically it goes through the whole process for you, and you can just use that, or you can actually edit it in this tool as well. So you can get free articles with the comment down below in the first comment. And let's get back to ChatGPT. So another thing with ChatGPT is the custom GPT. So you can actually create these, or you can just explore, I think, with the free plan, right? So you can do whatever you want. This is really for when you have a specific AI workflow, or it doesn't have to be AI, whatever the case may be, whatever the workflow is. So I can create some different workflows here with my GPT. So I find that really cool. I can just click create here, and then whenever I need to, add a specific set of instructions, that I can just keep doing the same task. So whatever the task job that you have, then you can just say, okay, put your instructions in there and get the results out every day. So that can save you a lot of time. It can, has capabilities of searching the web and creating images. So very cool feature as well. The other feature I use a lot is the voice mode on the phone. So basically I can just have a short conversation. And, to be honest, if you think about it, it's absolutely amazing. I'm just talking to somebody. Well, in this case, it's an AI, obviously, talking to somebody who knows everything about the world. So I use this often for like discovery learning, right? When I'm really just, at the start of understanding about a topic. So I'll just ask basic questions, and then, it gives me answers, and then I can just keep asking questions. And that's the way I'm using it now, to talk to. And, you can basically go on a walk and talk to an AI that knows everything about the world. So another really, really cool feature. So like I said, I do think it's worth paying for ChatGPT. Some of the other tools may be worth paying for are Perplexity AI. I don't use this that much. But another tool is Claude AI, and that's probably worth paying for as well, because I find myself using Claude AI more than 5 times a day, and I'm running out of credits. So really just think about it yourself. Are you a heavy user of these tools or not? If you are, then it's worth paying for. Like, if you think about the power of this technology, it just makes you work so much faster. Me, for example, like compared to 2 years ago, I'm creating so much more content. I'm able to work so much faster. I probably get what I used to do in a week, I get done in a day, no problem. So that's like probably 5 times faster. I'm working now with AI because I'm keep up to date with all these tools, right? And I know it takes a lot of time to keep learning and keep up to date. That's why I do think it is worth, having ChatGPT Plus, just to keep going, keep searching, getting used to the tools, right? It does take a bit of practice to learn how to use all these things, but once you do, then you'll save a lot of time. So that's my opinion. I think it's definitely worth adding ChatGPT to your subscriptions. I know they tend to build up, but this one is worth it in my opinion. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos about AI and SEO and everything like that. Thanks for watching.